In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set up auto deposit in your Wealthsimple. So you want to select this little icon here, just beside the search button, then select transfer, then select deposit, select the account that you want to deposit to, then select next, then select the account that you want to deposit from. If you don't have any account linked, then you can add an account by selecting an option of your choice. So you can choose between a debit or bank account. So let's say simply, then select next, specify how much you want to set up. Then from the drop down, you're going to select your frequency. So let's select monthly here, then select done, then select next, confirm the details of your deposit, and then select submit. Then select done. So as you can see, my balance has increased and this will be a recurring deposit. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.